Well, hello YouTube. Let's solve this problem with the GCC. So a lot of people don't have it into system path. When they type GCC, nothing happens. Now here's the thing, the easiest solution is to download code block with compiler. If you go to code block official website to download section binary release, always grab, just a second, always grab code block with compiler. So this is that file. If you're going to grab it from FossHub or SourceForge, not important, just code block with compiler. Once when you install it into probably default folders, Ming like compiler will end up into program files, code block, and there you go. That's the primary folder we care about. Now when we get inside, we're gonna have bin folder, subfolder, and when you press G, there is that thing, gcc.exe. Now we need to add that thing to system path. How? Well, here's the thing, I'm gonna copy paste that path easily. I'm gonna do that manually. I want you to understand this. So cd program files, okay, cd in my case code block, cd ming, and cd bin, and dir g. You don't need to do this, but I'm just talking about where is that thing, gcc.exe. So this is the path we care about. So select it, okay, Control C. Select it and Control C on the keyboard. Then go to control panel here and type path, or you can do that in a left lower corner in a search bar on Windows, or here type path, and there you go. We are into edit the system environments variables. So go there, go to environment variables, this thing here, and system variables. Okay, now in system variables find path. Okay, this line, just this line, click on edit, and here click on a new. See, we don't have any GCC here, so click on a new and paste here that link from compiler, and then you press OK, and then we are going to confirm. There you go. Now that thing is ready to roll. So let's test that assumption. Just a second. Now when I say GCC fatal error, no input files, that's cool, guys, that's cool, because GCC is reacting, so we do have it. Okay, now let's create in pure notepad, guys, pure notepad, into desktop, let's say in my case some C file. So notepad c test.c. okay, do you want to create that file? Yes. And now let's include in a slud stdio.h and integer main, and we'll just for testing purposes printf something like summit hing blah blah blah, not important. Okay, now we have this file c test c. Okay, once when we have it, we can compile it with gcc, and what was the name? Name was c test.c, and then O. This is what we need to type, and what will be output name for that application. So let's say c test.exe, and oh, this happens because this was previous this was previous DOS. Just a second. cd desktop gcc c test.c o c test.exe, and now it will work. There you go. Okay, so we can run this thing now. It's on our desktop, c test.exe, and there you go. This is my antivirus complaining, but it is detected that thing, but everything is fine. So one more time, let me run it. There you go. Now antivirus is not complaining. Basically, guys, now you have GCC everywhere on a system. Like, let's go to, I don't know, root, GCC, it is there, like cd program files, okay, GCC, it's everywhere. Okay, guys, so that's it. We have solved this problem. So let me repeat what we are doing here. Find where that GCC is, like in a bin, in a compiler, in code block folder, and then go to path in a control panel like this, path. There you go, edit the system environment, blah blah blah, environment variables, path, edit, and there you go. Okay, now if we delete this thing, again, same situation, we don't have it on a system, so maybe you wanna also know that. Okay, now if we run DOS cmd, there you go, now we type GCC and no more GCC. I know it's kinda stupid, but I'm gonna repeat that one more time. Let's get path of it in multiple ways. Properties, well, you can copy paste it from here too. Go into path, environment variables, path, edit, add that thing, and use a slash here, and then okay, get out from here. We're gonna open DOS to recognize changes, because all DOS will not recognize changes. GCC, fatal error, which means we do have it. cd desktop, okay, notepad, c something dot c, there you go. We're gonna copy paste from here because I'm lazy into notepad. There you go, it's ugly as hell, but it will work. Like blah 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 slash, and there you go. Let's get out from here. So now we can say gcc c summitking.c and o and c summitking.exe. Let's run it. c.summitking.exe, and there you go. Antivirus is complaining, but that's cool because next time it will not complain. So hopefully you are done with this. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and see you next one. Ciao ciao.